That shit loud. That bitch going up and down. Hey, it feel weird. Bro. Yeah, he posted that bitch a couple times. I ain't gonna lie to you.
He didn't even get to drive that motherfucker.
Ooh. Ooh. YouTube, man, y'all know what's going on. So it's another DITL, I guess we gonna say, day in the life or some shit like that. But motherfucker, we outside with my boy today, man. Got Mr. Goddamn it. You know what time it is. Cooling on some content and shit. Nothing too crazy. We finna get active though. Get outside. I'm finna vlog this Chrysler 300 red eye. That shit cold, man. Like that shit. Like that shit, man. Oh yeah, that bitch thorough. That's thorough, bro. Hey, that motherfucker so. It's gotta be some of the most, it's the most H-Town shit I've seen. Oh, bro. I done seen this bitch 1,000 times. That's crazy. All over my Instagram, bro. That's crazy. That shit wild. That shit wild. This bitch wild, bro. This motherfucker crazy. This shit. This bitch wild. I always say, boy, that bitch, bro, that bitch on there, bro. I told nigga, that's Houston, that's H-Town, nigga. Man, that's the perfect car to do while you out here, for sure. And the motherfucker, that bitch be going viral. I done seen this bitch 1,000 times, bro, no bullshit. Oh yeah, that's hard. That bitch so sick, boy. Bro, that bitch so sick, boy. Where your phone at? That bitch so clean, boy. That motherfucker so clean. Oh. Shit. Oh shit. That bitch so clean, boy. Oh, bro. That's it right there. Perfect. That's perfect. Oh, bro, that's perfect. So you got Minute Maid in the back. That bitch clutch. That bitch clutch.
Hey, you can pop the truck right now.
Man, this bitch crazy. Y'all know this spot if y'all have seen this spot before, man. We've been out here 1,000 times. Being active. Some Houston shit. You got the pop trunk on that boy. Pop trunk on that boy. You ain't from Houston, you don't know, so yeah, third wheel ain't a wheel. Pop trunk on that boy though. Yeah, pop trunk on that boy. Bro. Alright. So raw. I felt like we'll end this video with a POV. I don't really do too many POVs on the GoPro, so I feel like this would be a good way to outro the video. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how long we're gonna get out of this video, but we're gonna make it work. So yeah, we just linked up with GOTDAMNIT. Got some content with a 101 Chrysler Hellcat red slab. You know what I'm saying? Right now, got Jeffy in the seat, man. Jeffy drove, he stole my car today. Oh shit. Gosh. Oh yeah, shout out my boy Jeffy, man. Jeffy keeps me company. When I ain't got nobody in the car with me, he rides shotty all the time. He my passenger homie. He ain't no princess though, bro. Jeffy, what you got to say, man? You gonna say something or not? Cause some niggas be thinking you really can't talk, and I know you can talk.
Hey, females. Hey.